Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's word is thrilled. Thrilled. To be thrilled. It means to be very, very happy and grateful. Pronunciation. It is one syllable, but it has three parts blended together. One syllable. I'll break it down for you. The first sound is th. 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 The second one is and the last sound is d. You must say the last sound, d. Put it together, thrilled, thrilled, thrilled. Try it with me, thrilled, thrilled, thrilled. On your own. Excellent, well done. Please note, many words in English have many different meanings in different contexts. So, for this context, to be thrilled about something means that you're extremely happy, and it also has some gratitude involved. So, I received your present through the mail. I opened it and I'm absolutely thrilled. I love the present. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. Or alternatively, you could say, I am thrilled to be here if you are starting a speech at a conference or a work event. I am thrilled to be here. So you're really happy to be there and also grateful. So we often use it to describe how we feel, but also very often we can say it to describe how we think other people might feel. So if someone tells you, say, they have a new job, you could say, oh, that's fantastic, I'm thrilled for you. Brilliant. Or they might say, I've just got a new kitten from the rescue centre. I can't believe it. I love the kitten. You could say, oh, I'm absolutely thrilled for you. That's so gorgeous. That's wonderful. So, you can be thrilled for yourself to describe how you feel, and you can be thrilled for other people. Brilliant. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it made sense. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will be thrilled. So please join me every day for a new high frequency English word, phrase or expression. Thank you. Bye bye.